Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off notifications for most watched reels on Instagram. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. Then select hamburger menu and then open settings and privacy. After that, tap on notifications and then select live and reels. Next, scroll until you can find most watched reels section. After that, tap on the button beside off and that's it. This is how you can turn off notifications for most watched reels on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.